So hello guys, my name is Anmoldeep Singh and I am here for my Capstone Viva, and my project name is Single Story Commercial Restaurant, and my client name is ACTS Developers, and I am a junior quantity surveyor of this project. First of all, I am showing my structural drawings, and this is my first drawing, and in my second drawing I am showing the wall thickness, which is about 200 millimeter, and the third one I am showing the cross section of ground floor, and at last which is the layout of ground beam, cross section of ground beam, layout of pad footing, and the cross section of a column. First of all, I am starting with the takeoff list measurement activities, which I have taken from the A and ZSMM document to 2022, and which is first one is groundwork, the trade for A and ZSMM. In this, I have taken 1.1 is site clearance, and second one is excavation of foundation, and third one is disposal of materials, and then earthwork support, and at fifth excavation of ground floor, and sixth one is prepare and compact floor, and seventh one is filling, and at last is vapor barrier. At second I have taken concrete work, which is the trade section of A and SSMM document, and in this first of all base concrete, second one is column, and third one is ground beam, and fourth one is ground slab. At third I have taken the reinforcement trade 8, which is in the A and ZSMM document, and I have started with the footing, which is 8.1.1, and then slab, and then column, and after that beam. At fourth I have taken the formwork, which is trade 7 in the document of A and ZSMM, and at first I have taken the footing, then I have taken the column, and then at last I have taken the ground beam. And at the fifth I have taken the machinery work, which is the trade 12 of the A and ZSMM document, and at first I have taken the walls, and then I have taken the damp proof posts. So after that I have shown my center line measurement, which is having the x which is having a two directions, which is x direction and the y direction. And first of all, I have calculated total line central, which is about 37.2 meter, and after that I have taken the site clearance, which is about the description of site clearance, which is 0.5 meter girth after the roots and strap cutting. And first of all, the total area of one is 68.44, and then area 2 is 92.6, and area 3 is 12.3, and the total area is 100.34 meters square. And after that, excavation foundation, which is having the depth of 13 meter cube, and after that is trench excavation, which is I have having the x direction, and after the calculation of all, I have taken the 15,600, and after that y direction, which is about 13,600, and the total length of trench in the millimeter is 29,200. And after that I have taken the earthwork support, which is having the foundation support, which is having total of 26 meters square, and after that I have taken a trench support, which is having the 14.6, and after that the total earthwork support is 55.2 meters square. And after that I have prepared the compact floor, which is having the base foundation, which is having a total of 10 meter square, and having the trench is 11.68, and after that I have taken the slab area, which is having a total of 29.44, and then 14.4, and then 4.5. After all the calculation, I have got the number, which is about 70.2 meters square. And after that, the filling of foundation is after that the calculation of all, I have with the calculation of 8 meter cube, and then the vapor barrier, which is about the damp proof course. फिर
हो गया
After that, I have taken the reinforcement work, and then column, and then ground beam, and after that slab. And then I have taken the formwork, which is having a formwork for column, formwork for ground beam, and the masonry work is having the plastering work and for the internal and external walls. And at last, I have taken the damp-proof course. And after that, I have taken the ground slabs and the slab excavation of ground, which is having a length of 9200 and the width of 3200. And with all the calculation, I have got the numbers of 5.8 meter cube. And for the part 3, I have with the calculation of 2.8 meter cube. For the part 3, I have the length of total length of 3000 and width of 1500. And after the calculation, I have calculated 0.9 meter cube, and the total excavation is 9.67. After that, I have disposal of the materials, which is 28.51 meter cube. And then I have my abstract sheet, which is having my all the groundworks, which is having an 8 section. And after that, I have taken unit rate and the quantity. And after that, at the second, I have taken concrete, then reinforcement, then formwork, and at last I have taken masonry work. So I am now moving to the unit work, which is having the code, description, unit, material cost, and machinery cost, manpower cost, subtotal, and overhead profit plus unit rates. At first, I have taken all the groundworks, which is having 8 sections, and then I have taken all the unit rates, which is having like we have like for site clearance is meter square, for the excavation of foundation is meter cube. And then I have taken the concrete work, which is having all the unit rate, material cost, machinery, manpower, and subtotal, also the sub head and sub profit. And then reinforcement, formwork, and then brickwork, which is having the plastering and the damp-proof course. And at last, I have the SUQ, which I have prepared, having the code, description, unit, quantity, rate, and amount. At first, I have taken a bill of quantity description, and then after that, I have taken the preliminary, which is having a code of A1, which is professional sum and insurance, setting out site facilities and all. And then I have taken the groundworks, which is having all the trades, which is like side, which is having like site clearance. And after all the calculation, I have with the sum totals. And the next one is concrete work, which is having the meter cube unit. And after that, I have the total of the all columns, ground beams, and footings. And the third one is reinforcement, and here is the footing, which is having a T12 bars to the strict footings, which is about the unit, which is having in the kgs. After all the calculation, I have with these calculation, which is having 11,217.6. And after the and for the column is 4740.48 kg, and for the ground beam is 21,075.84, and for the slab is 49,408 and 992. For the formwork also the same, which is having the meter square. And at last, I have taken the masonry work, which is having a tray section of brickwork. And that's all. Thank you.